Kung may sinasabi lang Lady Gaga, ito yung entrance ng Gen L.
Ew! Let your breath smell like panis na Chico! Ew! Ay, naku kuya, ano bang isang malaking no-no sa mix mo ang magpapasok ng lasing na loob? Tao?
Lady Gaga, I'm not drunk.
O sige, kung hindi ka nasingilan to.
Kasi mas pera, may na ako sa mati.
Ay, wali. Sige, pero Sasha Padilla, go!
Sasha,
Sasha Padilla, go!
hindi na lang ako. Isa, Nancy.
Ano ba naman ito? Lasing na nga, papanggap ang lalaki. Ano ba naman yan? Anyway, ito ang ibigin kang mali by Sasha Padilla at number 14. Kamay ng concert to. Ticket. Pagkatapos kumuha rin ticket, magpakuha ng dugo. Ginagawa ka pa rin. Okay. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Girl, no way, oh my God, Mom! Pardon me, but I don't talk to Pepper. Do you remember us? We're like classmates from IF. Excuse me, you don't look like you're from IF.
No, girl, come on now. Don't be hard on us. We're not for my...
Okay, wait. You look like you're from IF. You look like you're from elementary school. Okay, I don't know you. Please go away. Stop me. Don't know you. Okay? Anyway, you're so annoyed by young baby at number 13. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Ay, nako, Ma. Excuse me, what month are you from? You look like I never nagtaan you. At sige nga, pag naulanin yung next artist natin sa start ko, tapasukin ko kayo. Okay? Ikaw hula. Ay, sino ba hula? Siya. Ikaw hula. Hindi. Sa kanya kayo papakita, ikaw hula. Okay. Sige, Sige, go. Ay, iyakan niyo na ako. Isa pa. Isa pa. Kulang pa, Kurt. Ano ba yung pinag-suwir ba yan? Sige, go. Gawin mo. Go. Pretty friend. Ano ba yan? Gawin mo na. Akong gagawa. Hindi ko na ba? Hindi pa. Gawin mo muna. Isa pa. Gagawin mo pa. Hindi ko na like that. Ba't hindi scared?
Okay, go. Gusto mo ba na mix mo, go?
Go! Okay, narani na? Clap. Clap siya? Okay, excuse me. Pero only one pa lang yan. Level 1 pa lang yan ang ating game, okay? Karin yung brutal best clap siya. Kasi numbers lang. No. And dropping off the lower half of the Pacific countdown and super cool, the band ni Marco Baya ang 1. We move up a notch this week. Salamat na din sa mga patuloy na bumuboto sa video